In this video, I will share with you how to add a search engine just for your website in Hostinger Website Builder. This is the search engine that I've just added in my own website. Let's do a search, for example, digital products, because I already know that I have a blog post with this keyword in its title. Let's search. As you can see, this is the search results, and as you can see, only my website is shown in this search results, benstutorial.com. Now let's click on the first result, and as you can see, it redirects me to this page with my search keyword. To have a search engine feature like this one on your own website, just log in to your Hostinger account. Then click on websites and select websites list. You will see a list with all of your available websites on your account. Click on this edit website button next to your website. If you are like me, you have multiple different websites and you're looking for an easy way to easily distinguish between websites built using WordPress and other websites built using Hostinger Website Builder. Just look at this little icon next to each website. This is a WordPress website icon, and this is the icon of websites built using Hostinger Website Builder. Now click on Edit Website. This is my website homepage in Hostinger Website Builder, and the first thing I will do is I will create a blank space below my header. Add blank section. Now I will add a big title element. To do so, just click on this little plus icon from this left sidebar. Drag and drop this text element. Let's rewrite it for search this website. Make it a little bit wider, place it at this top. After adding your search engine big title like that, go to Google and search for Programmable Search Engine. This is, or visit the first search result. This is official from Google. The website is called Programmable Search Engine.google.com. Click on Get Started. As you can see, you don't have any search engine. Hit create your first search engine. Name your search engine from here. In my case, I will name it after my website. My website is called benstutorial.com. I will call it Ben's Tutorial Search Engine. Now, what to search? For the search, you can go with search specific sites or pages, or search the entire web. In my case, I will go with search only my website, and even for that, you can go with multiple or you can add any of the following. For example, you can search only for individual pages, for your entire site, just parts of the site of your site, or the entire domain. In my case, I will go with my entire site. So you need to fill in or enter your site following this format. So I will copy it like that, and I will copy just my website name and replace my website with my website name, just like that. So this is the starting of my website, and this is the ending. Hit this add button. Let's zoom out, and as you can see, my website is added following this format. Now you can go with searching settings. For example, you can also include image search, and also enable or disable the safe search feature. I will enable both of these options, and here I will confirm that I'm not a robot. After that, hit this create button. Your new search engine has been created. Copy the following code and paste it into your site's body section, where you want the search box and the search results to render or to appear. Let's copy this code like that. Go back to your website page where you want to add this search engine. Hit this add element or this little plus icon again. Scroll down to the bottom. Drag and drop this element called embed code. Now hit enter code. Delete this existing code and paste the code you've just got from Google. Hit this embed code button and you can place this search engine bar where you want it, and you can adjust the length of the search bar just like that. Now let's update, or before that, let's adjust this search or this this search section height and update my website. Let's view my site live. This is my search bar title and this is the search bar. Let's search for digital products again because I know I have a blog post with this keyword. Hit the search button. As you can see, I can't see the search results. To fix this, it's simple. Go back to the Programmable Search Engine page. Go back to all engines. Click on the engine or the search engine you've just created. Scroll down to look and feel and hit this all look and feel settings. Instead of using the overlay layout for your search engine, go with full width. Now that they saved this change, click on get code and copy the code again and replace the old code with the new one. Click on embed code and update your website again. Let's view my website live and let's search again for digital products and hit the search button. As you can see, now the search results are shown entirely. And as you can see, all I see is my website. This is what I prefer, this search engine from based on Google instead of the one that Hostinger Builder provides. Now, if I click on this first search results, I go directly to the page that contain keywords I searched for. Now, let's go back to the Programmable Search Engine website to play a little bit with this search engine settings. Click again on your search engine or the one you've just created. Here you can edit or rename your search engine from here. You can edit the name. You can also add a description if you have multiple search engines. Here you can edit you can get the code again. Just click on this copy icon. This is your search engine ID and this is the public URL for your search engine. Under search features, you can enable or disable the search or the image search feature. Same thing for the safe search or not. The augment results, you can also enable searching the entire web from here. In my case, I prefer to only search my website. Here you can also edit the region or customize the search results based on selected region. For example, if the majority of your website visitors are coming from the US, it is better to go with US or the United States. Now the search results will be based on just the US. Region restricted results. If you enable this option, you will only show search results from your selected region. In my case, it is the US. Here or below sites to search, if you have multiple websites, you can add your own website or another website from here. You can only paste your website address following one of these formats, and they will be shown in the search results. You can also exclude some sites from appearing. Same thing, you need to add them in this list following this format. And below the look and feel, you can edit the search engine language from this list. And if you click on all look and feel settings, you will be redirected to this page where we've already changed the search engine results layout. The default one, I think it is the overlay. For hosting a website builder, it is better to go with full width. Here you can edit the search engine theme. For example, this is the default theme or theme. You can go with a minimalistic theme, the espresso theme. As you can see, the only difference is a little bit of color difference. Bubblegum, shiny. Let's say that you are interested in this bubblegum theme. Click on save. As you can see, are you sure you want to change the theme? You will lose all the customized changes. Confirm your selection, and you will see this theme in your search engine. You can also delete this enhanced by Google if you want. All you need to do is to go to this, and below customize, go to the Google branding, and you can disable Google branding. This is the design with the Google branding, and this is without the Google branding. Click on save. And now let's refresh this page again, and as you can see, my search bar does not have the Google branding anymore. Another search or another customization that you can do from the general, you can edit the font, the border color, or the background color to suit your website design. You can also edit the search box and button. For example, the box border color, the button border color, the button background color icon, or the button icon color. This is a preview of what you are doing. Refinement. Under refinement, you can edit the text color, set normal or deselected. Also the background color, same thing, normal or selected. Google branding, we've already seen that. You can also edit the search results or customize the search results appearance. For example, the border color with the normal state or under the hover state. Results title. This programmable search engine website gives you the ability to customize very little details to suit your website branding or appearance. Hosted logo. This is very good. You can add your own logo from here. Just give them your logo image URL here, and they will use it as your own logo. Add logo link. You can even add a link to your logo, and from here you can adjust your logo height. Thumbnails in search engine. Here you can enable or disable the the thumbnails in search results. If you don't know, thumbnails are those little images next to each search result. I think that's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.